Hello, welcome to Mentorat. Enjoy the journey. In this Microsoft Office Specialist Certification course, you'll get training to pass the Microsoft Online International Certification. You'll also get to work on some business projects and get advice to help you build a good career. Microsoft Office is one of the best tools you'll encounter during your professional life. Mentorat helps you to become productive by acquiring sound understanding of Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Outlook, and learning to share data between these applications. Excel is one of the easiest tools to maintain record of information. Let's go with an example. Here, we'll create a new blank workbook in Excel. I'm using Excel 2013. We'll populate the first sheet with data about the student of a college offering postgraduate and undergraduate full-time and part-time course. To keep the example simple, the number of the record is reduced to 20. Let's go. Subject, second column, instructor, third mode, level, student, okay, we have a table, we have our Excel sheet with all the data inside. This source data contains lots of information. However, it lacks summarized data. I mean, you like to know something like how many students have enrolled for postgraduate and how for undergraduate course. How many postgraduate and undergraduate students have enrolled for part-time course and how many for full-time course? Which subjects are taken by postgraduate and undergraduate part-time and full-time students? Let's see how with Excel we can do it. We have the data source here and we want to know about the first question. How many students have enrolled for postgraduate and how for an undergraduate course? Let's go. First of all, you need to select all the data from the data source. You go in Insert tab. In Insert tab, you see Pivot Table. Select a table or range. So the table is selected from here and there. We have all the data. And we create a new worksheet. Let's go. We have this sheet, this new sheet, pivot table fields. You can see all the columns of the table. Down here, we can see the report filter. Pivot table report filter data is filtered on basis of fields added to this area. Column label, fields added to this area are displayed as column at the top of the report. You'll see it. Row label, fields added to this area are displayed as row on the side of the report. And value, fields added to this area are displayed as a single summarized value in the pivot report. Our first question is, how many students have enrolled for postgraduate and how for undergraduate course? Let's start with level. The level in our table, the level is undergraduate and postgraduate. So let's go. We drag and drop in row. So we have 2 undergraduate and postgraduate and blank. Let's see why it's giving us some blank data. Okay, let's move. And then Here we drag and drop students because student contain the number of the student column contain the number of students for each program. Here you can see that we have 10 rows. This is the number of the row. This is not the number of the student, but the number of the row for undergraduate and postgraduate. You'll see that it gave you 10 to 10. That is not what we need. What we need here is the sum. So let's go right click, value, field setting, count, sum. Let's take the sum. Okay. Then you see for postgraduate students you have 493 and for undergraduate 642. So the total will give you 1,135. So here the total of all this. When we make all, fine. The second question is, how many postgraduates are enrolled for part-time and full-time course? Let's go. We go to our data source, insert tab, pivot table. Yes, fine. Then the level always here because we need it like this. Let's go with the modes in column. Fine. So the mode we have part-time and full-time, and we have the grand total. Let's go with the number of students. We customize again. So we have here 256 for full-time, 237 for part-time, and the grand total is here. The third question is, which subjects are taken by postgraduate and undergraduate students? Let's go. Subjects, Java programming, mathematics. So let's go, we select, we go. Fine, new worksheet. Okay, let's take the level for showing this kind of data. Subjects, you will see. Okay, better. Students. Okay, let's go with the sum. Fine. So these are the subjects. Finance audit for postgraduate, and the same goes here. Great. We just learned how to summarize data with Excel, with pivot table, and we get some good information. Easy to understand, simple, fine. Also, you can generate a report with Excel directly from here. This kind of reports, any chart that you want, Excel help you to do it. Fine. Let's come to the points. We offer you the possibility and the opportunity to get certified in Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access. You can contact me to this number 9066233865. Don't worry, wherever you are, we can reach you. Just contact me directly or through WhatsApp, and we will see. Mentorat, enjoy the journey.